What did my grandfather do?
He was a winemaker.
Oh my God, it must be in the genes. I mean, you can't argue genes, right?
So, Aldo and Dante are my drivers, but who are you really?
Your grandfather, Don Giuseppe Balbano, was not just a winemaker.
No?
Ciao, Christine Balbano. I'm your grandfather, Giuseppe Balbano. If you are watching this, I'm dead. My dying wish is that you, my direct bloodline, take over and be the new boss of the Balbano family.
Me?
Christine! You can't run away from your destiny.
Oh yeah? Watch me.
Once you walk out those gates, you will no longer be under our protection. Also, you have no phone.
Actually, the mafia?
Your grandfather preferred to call it the invisible famine.